heart of innovation, to leading organizations, Vital Biotech and AFTEFS come together to present a groundbreaking event. Join us for the 3 days international training cum workshop on agripreneurship, opportunities, and current challenges. Are you passionate about agriculture? Do you want to shape the future of farming and agribusiness? This workshop is designed for you. Over 3 intensive days, you'll immerse yourself in the world of agripreneurship, exploring a world of opportunities and tackling current challenges head-on. Learn from industry experts, successful agripreneurs, and researchers as they share their insights, experiences, and strategies for success. It's not just about theory. You'll get your hands dirty with practical, hands-on activities, network with fellow enthusiasts, share your ideas, and foster collaborations that could shape the future of agriculture. We have a fantastic lineup of activities: expert-led seminars, interactive Q&A sessions, and much more. Save the dates. Join us from 20 to 22nd November 2023 for this unmissable event. Registration is now open. Secure your spot at www.vitalbiotech.org and be a part of this exciting journey. Don't miss out on the chance to shape the future of agriculture. See you at the 3 days international training cum workshop on agripreneurship, opportunities, and current challenges. For more information, visit our website and follow us on social media. Let's cultivate a brighter future together.